At Amazon's devices facility, NVIDIA has officially deployed digital twin technology. With a simulation-first approach, robotic arms are being trained to audit product quality through diverse inspection. Utilizing synthetic data, the innovative approach is a major step toward Amazon's goal for zero-touch manufacturing. To enable full zero-touch capability, robots are using physics-enabled, photorealistic models of Amazon's workstations and devices. This is the process that creates synthetic data. That data is further used to enhance model performance, minimizing the simulation-to-real gap before it meets the workstation. The suite behind the scenes of the simulation-first approach is NVIDIA Isaac. The software allows digital twins to recognize new devices and handle them for faster, more modular manufacturing pipelines. When new devices are introduced, Amazon Devices submits a CAD or computer-aided model into Isaac Sim. As part of the NVIDIA Omniverse, Isaac can generate over 50,000 synthetic images from these CAD models. The models are further used for defect detection and object training. Hand in hand, generative AI builder Amazon Bedrock allows for audit test cases and high-level tasks through its documentation process. Bedrock's agent core will be used for planning autonomous workflows, with ability to ingest inputs like surface properties and 3D designs across multiple factory stations. With focuses on recycled materials, sustainability, energy-efficient design, and programs such as device trade-in, Amazon Devices and Services seeks to accelerate quality assurance and product development. With the help of NVIDIA, Amazon seeks to build apps, integrations, skills, and ecosystems delivering experiences that scale globally.